What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna replace some wheel cylinders. So let's get started. Put a jack underneath. Now let's grab that impact gun. 19 millimeter. Yep. Now we can remove that cap. Yep. And the wheel. Yep. And make sure, guys, you don't have the e-brake on. Let's remove that drum. Hammer. Go. Some love taps. There you go. And that's your wheel cylinder, guys. So it's going to be held on by two 10 millimeter bolts and your brake line. So we'll grab a ratchet. Let's grab this one and the 10 millimeter. And if you go to the back side, guys, you're going to have the two 10 mils and you're going to have a brake line. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this brake line. And this is your bleeder right here. This is going to be 3/8. Let's break that loose. There you go. Fuel line is off. Now you grab yourself a 10 millimeter and a ratchet and break those bolts loose. There's one. That's two. Electric ratchet. One. Two. So now you can grab yourself a mallet, hit it loose. If it's seized, you usually can just sneak these out. Just like that. Yep, that was bad. All right. And if it doesn't come off that easy, you can remove this spring right here. Grab yourself some wire cutters. Grab from there, open it, and you can spread these shoes. But we didn't have to do that. Now we're gonna have a new one. That's the part number 33825. And I believe it's gonna be the same on both sides. Yes. So let's open this up. And there you go. Looks like it's new and improved. Reinforced. I don't know. This one looks bigger than this one. Let's go put it on. And a quick tip, guys, remove this bleeder valve so we can easily install that brake line without this being in the way. And then once we're done, then we can put this back on. Grab some brake clean, spray that off right there. Clean it a bit. There you go. Now reinstall your wheel cylinder. There you go. And hand tighten the brake line, guys. Now we can tighten these bolts down. Now we can snug down the 10 millimeter bolts. And don't forget your bleeder valve, guys. And since these brake shoes are good in condition, they're not cracked, and they're pretty thick, we're gonna just clean and adjust. Let's put the catch can under there, get some brake clean. And what I like to do is grab some sandpaper and scuff up those pads. All right, and you see that adjusting star right there? So once we put that drum back on, then we can adjust that star until the shoes slightly drag on the drum. That's how you know it's adjusted correctly. Put the drum back on. There you go. And I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So this is gonna be the tool. So we're gonna stick it in the hole in the back. And you're gonna just spin that wheel. And you're gonna spin that star wheel, the one I was showing you guys, up like that, till you get a slight drag on the drum. This one was good. So now we can start bleeding it. And I got nobody to help me to pump that brake pedal, guys. So I made myself a one-man bleeder. Grab yourself a water bottle, a vacuum line that's gonna fit onto that bleeder. Put a hole right through it, and then a little hole for like vacuum. And that's it. Plug it in and pump the brake pedal. And we're gonna go top off that master cylinder and then start pumping that pedal. So let's go top off that master cylinder. There you go. So this is your master, guys. Remove that cap. The fluid, make sure it's full, it's low. So we're gonna top that off. I'm gonna fill up that master cylinder. So you guys are gonna be watching that bottle and I'm gonna pump that brake pedal, okay? I'm gonna slowly pump it now. 1, 2, 3. You guys see that brake fluid flowing? 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm gonna check that master cylinder. So the master cylinder went down, so I'm gonna top it off. We're gonna pump that brake pedal a little more. 1, 2, 3. Is that bottle overflowing yet? 4, 5. And now we tighten up that line, and you can remove your, boom. Make sure that's tight. Snug. Don't over tighten those, guys. Those are easy to strip out. Let's grab some brake clean, clean everything up. And remember, guys, you want a slight drag. That's perfect. All right, guys, and that's it. We are done. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, huh? There's nothing really much to it. It's a basic job. I didn't do the other side because I'm gonna do that one into a short form. So if somebody wants to just see a quick little tutorial, that's what I'm gonna do it. But you do the exact same thing to the other side. See you guys on the next one.